So here's how to create a Gumroad account. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and search gumroad.com. Go to the website, then create your Gumroad account by clicking on Start Selling. You can see there are many creators on Gumroad. They sell digital products and memberships to earn money. You can create an account using Facebook, Google, Twitter, Stripe, or by writing your email and password. I will create using Google account. Two-factor authentication. They have sent an authentication token to your email. This is basically a code that is sent to your email. Go to gmail.com, copy that code, paste it here, and then click Login. If you didn't receive the code, then click Resend Authentication Token. Now your Gumroad account is created, and you have successfully logged into your account. This is Home, and other section are Products, Checkout, Posts, Audience, Analytics, Payouts, Discover. You can create your first product from here. Then you will be able to check your products, analytics, and audience. This is how you can create a Gumroad account.